Alright, what we need to do over here is we need to find out for x. So when you come across the command term solve, so this means you actually want to find out the value of x here. Now the important thing that you need to look at over here is it's the interval which is given between 0 and 180 degrees, right? So this means what is? This means that the angle is in degrees and he expects you to give the answer in degree as well. If the interval was given in radians, then you would be giving the final answer in radians. So because it's degree, so we'll stick to the degree unit. Now, if that's because that's paper 1, so we'll start with tangent of 2x minus 5 a degree is equal to 1. Now what we'll do is we'll do 2x minus 5 is equal to a tangent inverse of 1. Now we know that tangent inverse of 1 is always a 45 degrees, and the reason why I'm putting the degree is just because the interval is in the degree, right? So from here what I'll do is I'll find out that as 45 plus a 5, and then we end up getting 2x is equal to a 50. And now because that's the 2x, so that's double of the x. Now what we will be doing is we'll be multiplying our interval, which is between 0 is less than x, which is less than 180 with 2 as well, right? So I'll multiply all of that and I'll update the interval. So this is the interval now that's I have. Now for this 2x is equal to 50, I'll be looking for the respective angle into the 0 and 360 degree. Now what we will do is we'll draw the Cartesian coordinate system, and now what we know is we know that in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant tangent is positive. So what we will do is we have 2x is equal to 50. Now this means that a 50 degree angle in the first quadrant, that is what we have. Now because tangent is positive in the third quadrant, so what we will do is with the base of the third quadrant I'll make a 50 degree angle which is going to go in this direction. Now we always measure the angle from the first quadrant, so what we do is we'll start from here, we come to this point and then add this up here, so this becomes 180 plus a 50, right? So this becomes 2x is equal to 230 degrees. So now what I'll do is I'll now divide all of them by 2, so we end up getting x is equal to 25. That's my first answer, and the second answer is going to be 230 divided by our 2, which is a 115 degree, right? So these are the two angles that we have within the interval of 0 and less than x, which is less than equal to 180 degree.